Hey, how's it going? My name is David Deacle, and in this video, I'm going to show you a full demonstration of the Profits Player software. So let's get started. So the very first thing that I want to draw your attention to is Profits Player is designed to help you make more with your YouTube videos. So if you have a YouTube channel, and let's say you have some videos that you've uploaded. Example, this is my channel right here. Now, here's a video that I've made that got me
You're not
400 views
comfortable.
as an example on YouTube. But what if you wanted to take this video and you wanted to also use it outside of YouTube? Like, let's say you wanted to embed it on your video page. So this is where Profits Player comes in, because it helps you take your video and embed it on your page and do a whole bunch of other additional things with it. So let's start with the simplest way of using Profits Player, which is embedding the YouTube video onto your web page without any kind of branding on it. It's a very clean, minimal player, and let me show you exactly how to do that. So in every video, you're going to find that there's a YouTube video ID to the video, and it's right in the URL. So if I take that YouTube video ID and go back here and click on Create New Player, first thing it's going to ask me is to give my video a title. So for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to call it Test Video for Demo. Then it's going to ask me to input the YouTube video ID in here. So I'm just going to do that. That's the YouTube video ID of the video that you just saw. And then it's going to ask me a few things about the embed video that I want to put on the page. So first thing is, what size do I want it in? Do I want it in 640 by 360, 720 by 405, 1280, or 560, which is like a smaller player? Now, regardless of whatever size you choose, the videos are fully responsive. The player is going to be fully responsive. So this is mainly for visitors that are coming from desktop or a laptop. It's going to basically show them the video at that size. But if a visitor with a smaller screen shows up on your page, then it's going to show them the appropriate size for their device. So we're going to select that. The next thing is whether we want a play bar or not. So you can choose to not show a play bar. Let's say you have an important video that you don't want people skipping around, skipping ahead and going back and forth, then you can simply select no play bar. Or if you do want to enable the play bar, then you simply select show play bar. Now, if you click on show the play bar, it's also going to ask you, do you want the video to autoplay right here? So if we select autoplay, the video is automatically going to autoplay on our page, or you can select no autoplay, and then it will just wait for the visitor to actually click on the play button for it to start. So let's select autoplay because I want to show you how the video starts. So, and then it's also going to ask you if you want to allow full screen or not. So you can choose not to allow full screen if you don't want people to have that option. And I'm just going to enable it just for the sake of this video, but you can also choose to hide it. Then if you want to customize the way that the player looks, you can do so here with the border color, the border width, the border style, and even the shadow spread, and basically to really give it that unique look to match maybe your brand. So over here, there's some settings for a video page, which we're going to get to in just a second. But first, I want to show you what the actual player is going to look like. So we're just going to click on Save and Update. Now, if I scroll down here, there's going to be a preview of that video right here. And at this moment, it's not going to autoplay because this is just a preview. But if you took this video now and embedded this code onto any web page, it's basically going to automatically play the video, and this is what the player is going to look like. You can see it doesn't have any branding on it. There's no related videos. There's no linking anywhere. If I took the video directly from YouTube, like if I clicked on share and embed, which is right here, this video is going to have a logo on it. This video is going to have the watch later, the subscribe, all kinds of things that a visitor could click on and could click off the video, which is not what we want, right? We want to keep the visitor, especially if they're coming to your web page, you want to keep them specifically on the page. So if I click play, you can see that the video starts.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's David.
And
if you are interested,
pause it for a second. But as you can see, the moment somebody pauses it, it kind of dims a little bit and it puts like a little blurry mask on top of it, so nobody can see kind of what's behind it.
Interested in
So
learning
if they
about
resume
how
to play
to
it, then it
get
just
free traffic.
continues as usual and there's no branding on it. So that's for the player itself. You can simply take the player and embed it on any web page, whether it's your own site, a WordPress site, a ClickFunnels, a Wix site, any type of a web page that you want to embed this on. You simply copy this code, you add this at the bottom of the page, and you're good to go. Now, that's one thing that you could do with Profits Player, is simply embed videos with a clean, minimal looking player onto any web page. The second thing you could do with it is, let's say that you wanted to create a pre-sale page. So let's say you have an email list, or maybe you're promoting on Facebook, or maybe you want people to just go to you don't want to build your own page, you just want to instantly create a page that people could go to see that video with maybe a call to action at the bottom. Can Profits Player do that? Yes, it can. That's where the video page comes in. So as you can see, a video page is already created with this video, and there's the link right there. I could literally just open this up right now, and there's the video page. It's already created. I can simply click on play, and the video is going to start to play, and you can see it's already auto-playing. If I just refresh the page here, the video is already auto-playing in the background, which draws attention for people to actually want to click on it. Now, as you can see, it's a pretty basic page at the moment. It has a background, and you can change the background if you wanted to. I'm going to show you that in a second. But it has a headline. You can change this headline. I'm going to show you how to do that as well. And basically, it's just a page that you could immediately start sending people to. Now, let's customize this page, because that's really where the power of the software comes in. So first things first, here's the headline for the page. This is this headline right here. If you wanted to customize this, you could easily do that. So as an example, here's a page that I've already created with a video on it. And this was my headline: how to make $102,057, how I made $102,000 in 60 days. This is a secret that makes me quick sales. You should totally copy it. And this is actually a page that I've sent traffic from my email list to, and there's a call to action at the bottom, as you can see right there. This entire page was created automatically by Profits Player already as soon as I created the player. And let me show you how I can recreate this page in literally just a second by simply copying and pasting this into here. So first things first, here's our headline. We can just take this and center it. And I wanted to highlight something in red here, which was this part right here. That's very easy to do. I can just do this and then highlight that in red. And that's basically it for the headline. Now, the button text is this right here. What do you want that to say? And we can simply say sign up here or sign up now. And then it's going to ask you, what URL do you want people to go to once they get to your page? So let's say I want them to go to some specific website. So let's say it's my website and I'm selling something. So buy now 123 product. Let's say that that's the page that I want people to go to. Now, beyond simply entering a link here, you also have the ability, the software has the ability to pass parameters over to this link. That's a little bit more advanced for those of you who want to be able to pass parameters from the URL over to the actual link. You could pass the first name of the person by using the CNAME token, the email, the affiliate, the source, the sub ID, pretty much all of the regular affiliate stuff that you would normally need to pass in your affiliate promotions. If you wanted to pass those tokens, you can easily do that by literally just taking this right here and adding it to the end of your URL. It's going to basically pass anything that you give it in the URL over to this link right here. Now also, you could add some content to the page. So let's say you wanted to explain something further. So first, let's save and update this. And I want to show you what the page already looks like, which is this page right here. This was before we started to make the changes. I'm going to refresh this now, and boom, now we have the headline right here. We have the video already auto-playing, and we have the sign up button, which takes us over to the URL that we just specified. Now, if you wanted to add content in here onto this page, let's say you wanted to explain something further. So sign up today and get my bonus package that includes, let's say we wanted to add, product 1, product 2, and product 3. Let's say you wanted to add some more text to the page. You could easily do that by just adding some text in here, and that's going to show up right above the button. So as you can see, if I refresh this, now we have exactly what you typed right there showing up here. If I wanted to remove this, let's say I don't want it on the page anymore, you simply erase it right from here and it's gone. Now also you can customize the page background. At the moment I have it set to an image, as you can see right here, the image of the beach. And let's say I wanted to change it to a different beach, or maybe not a beach, but I wanted a fast car as a background or something like that. I can simply put in a different image URL right there, like anything that ends with a JPEG or PNG. And I could just click save and go back to the page, refresh this, and boom, I have a page that looks totally different now because of that background. And as you can see, page looks awesome. Like it doesn't take long to build these pages. Let's say I wanted to change this to something else, maybe some kind of a vortex style background. I could easily do that. I could simply just paste that in. Any image, you can put any image you want over there. Click save, go back to the page, refresh, and boom, now we have a different style background to the page. Or we could not use backgrounds at all. We could use a solid color. If you wanted to do that, you could do that as well. You can simply click on color, and let's say I want to use let's go with this gray color right here. That's perfectly fine. We're going to click save, go back to the page, refresh, and now we have a clean gray background, which in my opinion looks a little bit too plain. I kind of like the image style better, but you get the idea. You can completely customize these pages, these video pages, and you don't have to drag anything. You don't have to drop anything. You don't have to deal with, naming conventions or anything. The software automatically creates the page for you as soon as you add a video to the platform. So as soon as I added this and gave it a name and selected a few options, the video page is already created for me and is ready for me to use. It even has a little video counter that shows you how many visits you got. So far I refreshed it like 5 times, so it shows 6 over here. Now, in addition to being able to create the page, if you have a Deadline Dollars account and you want to add timers to the page, you could do that as well. It integrates with Deadline Dollars. All you need to do is put the campaign ID here, and then it locks the page, and only people who are in the countdown sequence are going to be able to access the page. It's actually pretty cool. But for those of you who have Deadline Dollars, you know what I'm talking about. It fully integrates with this. Now, in addition to that, let's say I wanted to take my videos even further. So far, I'm able to embed the videos on any page. I'm able to get a video page instantly as soon as I upload the page. What if I wanted to increase my email engagement? Let's say you wanted to promote this to your email list. Well, one of the easiest ways to get more clicks from your email list when you send out an email is to have something catchy in the actual email body. So what's more catchy than a nice GIF? So to create a GIF, you don't have to download the video. You don't have to upload it somewhere and trim it and all of that. That's basically how we would have created a GIF up until now. You would have had to download the video, upload it to a GIF creation service, and select what time in the video you want to have the GIF, until what time, and all of that, and settings and all of that, which is pretty complex. But with Profits Player, it's really, really easy. Let's say I wanted to create let me just pause this. I wanted to create a GIF.
And they recently introduced
from, let's say,
2 days. It made
moment
me
in the
12,000
video
gram. That's
here.
been doing
15 seconds or 16 seconds. All I need to do is just play the video and pause it on the moment that I want the GIF to start from. And then I just click create GIF. Now this is going to take a few seconds to about a minute or so. The system, or even less than 3 seconds. As you can see, the GIF is already ready. All I need to do is scroll down, and now I can see that the system created a GIF for me that I can use. There's the GIF code. It's just an image. Basically, you can take that and put that anywhere. And to give you an example of what this looks like in real life, if I go here, this is actually an email that I've sent out for that campaign that I just showed you. And as you can see, I'm actually using that image inside of this email. I literally just copied, pasted it in the email, and there's the GIF. And when people click on this, it's going to basically take them over to the video page. So another thing you could do with Profits Player, let me just scroll up here. You could basically organize all of your videos. It automatically sorts them out for you. It shows you like how many hits you got on the page. And everything is shown in a very kind of organized fashion right here. And you can easily search for videos, like you can search for by title, what you've titled them. You can search by size. You can search whether it's autoplay or not. And you can even duplicate videos. So let's say I wanted to have 2 different pre-sale pages with the same video. Maybe one of them with a call to action that goes to one place and another one with a call to action that goes to a different place. You could easily do that by simply clicking on clone. You could just clone the video. And what happens is as you can see right there, there's 2 sheeps like for cloning. And now I have a duplicate of my video that I can simply click on edit, and I could give this a different title, and I can change the video page to say something else, maybe a different headline or something. And I could change the call to action. I could change the background. I could change everything about this video. Even create a GIF from a different moment in time and use that GIF as part of my video campaign. So that's basically the software. That's what I wanted to kind of cover in this video. That's what Profits Player can do for you. It helps you extend your existing videos that you have on YouTube and make them do more by embedding them on your web pages, by not having branding on them and all kinds of links that go out to places where you're trying to keep. Because the purpose of bringing a visitor over to your page is for them to watch your video, right? That's why you created the video. You invested the time to record, to upload, to title it and all of that. Now you want the visitor to give your video its full attention, right? So when you have a clean, minimal player, like the one the Profits Player gives you, then the purpose of that player is to really focus the viewer's attention on that video and nothing else. So there's no links that are going anywhere. There's nothing for them to click other than play and pause, and maybe if you enable them to click on the search bar, then that's going to show up. And in addition to that, it's going to help you create pages faster, pre-sale pages, and pages that you can just share stuff. Like let's say you have a video that you've created and you want a page for it. You've seen how quickly the software instantly basically creates the video page so you can have a link to share right away. This is how I've been promoting for ages now, and it helped me shorten the time that it takes me to put together a promotion, where it used to take me hours before. Now it's down to just a few minutes, because it's already a lot of effort to create a video. It's already a lot of effort to upload it and title it and optimize it and all of that. So why add more work when you could just use Profits Player to automatically create the pages for you, so you can share the video instantly. You can link the button to anywhere you want to link it to, and you could even clone the videos and clone the pages. Let's say that you've created a page that you really like. Let's say that this is a page that you really want to use again, this page right here. All you need to do literally is simply go back to the videos and simply click on clone, and you could just change the video ID on this page right here, change it to the new video ID, and you've got yourself the same page with the same headline, same everything, same button, same whatever was on the original page is already created for you to use. So that's one click to basically create a page. So that's a massive time crunch that time that you're not wasting on dragging and dropping stuff and uploading and creating GIFs and all that type of stuff. This software does it for you automatically. So to find out more on to get started, basically and find out more about the software, simply scroll down below this video. There's going to be more information for you below on the different plans that are available. And go ahead and get started, and I look forward to seeing you inside of the members area. Thanks again for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.